Alrighty, so this is the first video I'm showing my actual face. So, yeah. It was our 60 subscriber goal, so yeah. So, I've finally gotten this town thing. I had so many cars get to this, and I never had to set it up because I never got the table. Then I would finally move the table in here. So, setting this up here, scissors.
Okay.
Grass. Did we get the road things?
I don't know if we can make roads out of like construction paper.
Yeah, I ordered like road tape.
Oh,
It's like a roadiest way. You tape it.
Take a look.
Yeah, it's on Amazon somewhere, but yeah, it's a tape and roll it along here, and it looks like a road. So, this is definitely the first car I'm putting in the town. Ford Victoria 2001, I believe. Just been sitting here. 100 more cars, so it's like an unboxing. There.
You like build here and I'll move it back there. You know what I mean?
We do have a lot of cars. And a whole table here full of them. And buildings. Right here, I'll get off the screen. What size car is this? What size it is? One by 64.
1/64.
164 scale. 164 scale road. And this is what like this is what I'm gonna get. These. And these look that go along with the 164 scale. And $16 on 30 foot by 4 inches. Just lay it along in there.
I'm filming a video of like.
Yeah, we can get a road tape for $16. I just can't. I can get. Oh, tomorrow's May 1st. Tomorrow's Max's birthday.
No, the second's his birthday. Tuesday.
Yeah, but that road tape, it says I added it to the cart. It says you can get to your May 1st. Sure. I'm gonna look at it. They're all good.
I'll just see what one looks like on the room.
This is the state police Explorer.
And then you gotta build these. Right?
Yeah. Where'd the scissors go?
Where's that empty basket from the laundry? About
Right there.
start. No, we should get the we should get roads. So there we go, guys. Nissan GTR, this looking thing. Oh yeah, it's open. It's hard to open. It's hard to open. There we go. There we go. Police GTO. Next up, this is this 123 Daytona car. This. Indy 500, May 30th, 2021. Right. This thing is hard to open. It's like, Jesus. Oh, piece of plastic just flew out. Oh my God. Scared me. 2021 Indy 500 Chevy Tahoe. Next car. Next car. Terminator Judgment Day, 1983 Ford Crown Victoria. This one's sitting there forever. So finally got table today. Let's put them. This is like a very good video. I think it hurt. Clean that up later.
And then, when we were there, we were joking because we were like, listen, like, you're the only black guy here, Chase. Like, and he's sitting with us. And he's like, nope, but Dad's here, watch this. He comes down on his cell phone, he's on the complete other side of the track.
I'm gonna close the door. Close the door. Wait, yeah, but I just, not just got done, but I'm still editing a video. Well, I got this like a while ago. This was sitting in the room for like, I don't know, since like Christmas. Yeah, these. Oh my god, I have one of these. Where's it like taped on the back? Finished. Cut these off. Yeah. It's taking a while to open. Ah. 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 Oh, that hurt. Oh, I got my finger stuck. I can't see it. It was like, oh, my middle finger. There you can sort of see it. Got my finger stuck. Ah. Oh, hurt. God damn. Ah. I'm gonna stand back for this. Damn, bro. Still won't open. We'll save that one for later. That thing won't open, bro. Ah. Oh. I think it hurt, bro. Ah. Ah. Next, guys. This is the 1997 Dodge Monaco from the Terminator. There we go. They won't open. Please. This is the car. I think these are nice designs here. We got a few more cars and some buildings. then it's like little police things. These guys. This guy looks like he's wearing a ticket, maybe eating. No, he's eating with him. Why are these guys so small? I thought they'd be way bigger. This guy. Should have got bigger figures. These things are. Yeah, these things are way too small. I'll definitely order more to do part 2. I will definitely make this into a series. I'm gonna put the police guys right here for now. I will definitely make this into a series. Alright, let's do this one. Missed. This one. There we go. Yeah. Nissan GTR from Wish.